Hello grade 5 students and welcome to the Qatar history class. Today we're going to review and recall the concepts that you've learned in lesson 1, the European colonial competition in Qatar and the Arabian Gulf. So now we're going to recall the vocabulary words. First of all, we have colony, and which is a group of people from one country who build a settlement and another territory or land. And colonial is relating to colony or the characteristic of a colony. Number 2, we have invasion, which is the act of invading something, such as the act of entering a place in an attempt to take control of it. Number 3, expedition, and usually it means a long journey done for a specific purpose. Number 4, strategy, and which is a carefully developed plan or method for achieving a goal, and by strategic means helping to achieve a plan. So as we've learned from the previous week, Arabian Gulf has a strategic location because it controls the important waterways and also because it links east and west. The Arabian Gulf was subjected to colonial invasion by European countries since the 16th century. Portugal was the first state to send a geographical exploratory expedition to the Arabian Gulf to get rid of the Arab control over the trade routes. And they also succeed in controlling the east trade ports in the Arabian Gulf and the Red Sea, as well as the Strait of Hormuz and Bab el-Mandeb. Now here is a copy of your lesson. Please, I want you to pause the video here and read it carefully because at the end of the video you have some question you need to answer. Here in this picture, as you can see, it's a summary of your lesson taken from your book. Please pause the video and read it carefully. Now this is a timetable of European powers in the Arabian Gulf. It shows you Portuguese, Dutch, French and British, and from which year to which year they colonized the Arabian Gulf. Please pause it and read it carefully because in the next slide you're going to fill up the table. Now here is the table. I want you to pause the video and try to solve this table from which year to which year each of these countries colonized the Arabian Gulf. And if you find any difficulty, you can always go back and look for an answer. These are two exercises taken from your book. Please pause the video and try to solve them. This exercise as well is taken from your book. Please pause the video again and solve it and send me your answers on the e-portal. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you so much.